As of 2025, transferring recordings from a YouView box remains a significant challenge due to built-in technical restrictions and copyright protection measures. YouView boxes, like the one shown here with its interface and remote control, store all recordings on their internal hard drives. However, these recordings cannot be easily transferred or backed up. YouView boxes do not offer any direct export function for recorded content. All recordings are stored internally on the device's hard drive with no official way to transfer them out. The core issue is that recordings are encrypted and digitally tied to the specific YouView box that created them. This encryption process, shown here, prevents the recordings from being played on any other device. Copyright protection measures, known as digital rights management or DRM, add another layer of restriction. These systems prevent direct file copying and ensure that content remains locked to the original recording device. There is no official USB transfer capability to move shows to external storage. Even if you connect a USB drive to your YouView box, the encrypted and DRM-protected recordings cannot be copied or transferred. In summary, YouView recording limitations in 2025 include no direct export function, recordings encrypted to the specific device, no USB transfer capability, and DRM protection that prevents file copying. These restrictions mean you cannot simply copy files to a USB drive or transfer them to another device. While direct transfer from YouView boxes isn't possible due to built-in restrictions, several workaround methods exist that can help you back up or move your recorded content. The first workaround method involves connecting a separate recording device, such as a DVD recorder or capture card, to your YouView box's HDMI output port. You play back your recorded shows on the YouView box while simultaneously recording them on the external device. This creates a new, transferable copy of your content. A more advanced method uses HDMI capture devices connected to a computer. These capture cards can record the video signal from your YouView box in real time. Software like OBS Studio can then record the captured video stream, allowing you to save your shows as digital files on your computer. Both workaround methods have important limitations. They require real-time recording, which means you must play back content at normal speed. Additionally, some quality loss is inevitable during the conversion process. Looking toward the future, the television industry is rapidly moving toward cloud-based solutions and streaming services. This shift may eventually reduce the need for local storage and transfer capabilities. However, YouView and their partner manufacturers show little indication of changing their current restrictive policies. These limitations are likely to persist for the foreseeable future as they prioritize content protection over user convenience. While workaround methods exist, users should be aware of their limitations and consider alternative approaches like using catch-up services or streaming platforms for their viewing needs.